How to master the sound gr, gr, like gras, gris, gros, gru, right? It's a very tricky one, and it's doable. Break it down into two parts. G, g, r, g, r, r. It sounds like when you're snoring, like. I know it's weird, but that's a good way to learn, right? So it's like g, r. Now you skip the letter e in the first part. It sounds like gr, and then change the vowel at the end. So it sounds like g, r, gr, and then change the vowel. It sounds like gris, gras, gros, gru. Repeat after me. Gris, gros, gras, gru. When you go to someone's place and you want to get the Wi-Fi password, right? There's a way that everybody uses around. And if you learn that, it's cool. For example, which never happens, it might sound like quel est ton mot de passe Wi-Fi? Quel est ton mot de passe Wi-Fi? Nobody uses quel est. When you go to someone, you like, even if it's someone in a formal way, you would say, c'est quoi le mot de passe Wi-Fi? C'est quoi le mot de passe Wi-Fi? C'est quoi ton mot de passe Wi-Fi? So, mot de passe is password, mot de passe. But we say it fast. It sounds like mot de passe, mot de passe, mot de passe. We skip the letter E. Mot de passe, mot de passe. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. How to master the sound on. It's really brief. It's like on. The letter O followed by the letter N does not sound like on. That's why, although it might sound cool for some people, or like, but when an English-speaking person comes and say, bonjour, that is not right. It might sound cool, but it's not. If you want to speak French, know that the two letters O and N together sound like on. So bonjour, and pronounce the R at the end, not bonjour, bonjour. It sounds like when you're snoring. Bonjour, bonjour. How to say it's been a while. So you have two ways of saying that. Il y a longtemps ou ça fait longtemps. See how it sounds? Il y a longtemps. Ça fait longtemps. In the il y a longtemps part, most French people would skip the word il. So it sounds like il y a longtemps. Il y a longtemps. Il y a longtemps. I know it sounds stupid, but that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. So, il y a longtemps. Il y a longtemps. Or, ça fait longtemps. Oh, ça fait longtemps que je ne t'ai pas vu. It's been a while since I've seen you. Il y a longtemps. Il y a longtemps. Ça fait longtemps. How to say I take the bus. Be careful, it's a combination of different sounds. So it sounds like je prends le bus. Je prends le bus. Now let's break it down. Je prends. So prends, like p, r, p, r, p, r, prend, prend. Prends. It's a very brief sound. Je prends. Le, not le. Bus, not bus. A lot of English-speaking people confuse the sound U and OU. So really train your mouth to say U. Je prends le bus. Je prends. Je peux je peux rend. Je prends le bus. Je prends le bus.